Hello everyone, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a blessed day on this beautiful summer day. Today I decided to share with y'all. I was making some crab salad, and so I said let me share this recipe with everybody. So that's what I'm doing on today. I'm just doing a basic crab salad. Okay, our only ingredients are you can use mayo, salad dressing, either one, it doesn't matter. Okay, I have some Old Bay seasoning. I also have some finely chopped celery. And then I have my crab meat. This is the imitation. Let me show y'all. Now, if y'all want to use the real crab meat, you can, but this is, I'm using the imitation leg style. And you can also get this already shredded, but I didn't. I got the leg style. Okay, let's get to making our crab salad. Okay, this is how they look when I took them out of the package. Okay, you can get this already shredded, these already shredded, but I didn't. I got the leg style like I said. And what you do, you just chop these up how big and fine as you want to. Just chop them up. Or you can, if you want to shred them up, you can shred them up. See how I'm doing it? Just shred them up. Okay, like this. And then you chop them up that way. It all depends on the way you want them. Like I say, you can have them already shredded. Okay, this is what you do. Start out with at least a half a cup of mayo or salad dressing. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my celery in here. I got like a half a cup. It's up to you how much you want to use. You don't have to use all of that. Okay. And I see that, see, this is how you do it. You make sure you don't add a lot of mayo or salad dressing to it. Make sure you don't add a lot at one time. We don't want to overdo it, okay? Okay, I'm going to add, I got some more. I may end up using this whole cup that I have. Okay. Before I completely mix it all together, I'm going to add a little bit of this Old Bay seasoning. Okay, y'all, I'm going to start out with a half a teaspoon, and we're going to go from there. I think that should be enough. That should be enough. Just mix this together very well. Y'all, this is so simple. And there are some people that use black olives in theirs. I don't want black olives in mine. My kids, they probably would love black olives in theirs. But I don't prefer them. You make this recipe yours, okay? Just make it yours. That's enough right there. 1 cup, to me, that 1 cup of mayo is enough. Like I say, mayo or salad dressing. Like if you're on a keto diet, you use mayo. Just make sure it doesn't have the things that you don't supposed to have in it, okay? And it's also good on a low carb diet. And now I'm going to taste it. See if everything is in there like it's supposed to be. This is good. It's perfect the way it is. So you can use that was a store back in the day. It been maybe a few years ago, maybe 10 or 15 years ago, that had some crab salad. This store name was Aberson. Do y'all have an Aberson in y'all city? Because they had the best crab salad, y'all. They had the best crab salad I have ever eaten. The thing about theirs, they had another ingredient that you'll never think of. And this is what it is. Some cheddar cheese. So y'all, you do not have to do this. You do not have to do it. But I just love that taste of the cheddar cheese. But you do not have to put it in there, y'all. But I prefer mine like that, because that was the first time I ever tasted any. It's from that store's deli. And so it was so good. But you do not have to put the cheese in yours. But y'all, I'm telling you, it is so good. And you can use, I put maybe like a half a cup in mine. Okay, y'all, see, that's I'm finished. This is the end of it right here. And this is the way I want mine. But if you want more salad dressing or mayo, you use it, okay? Okay, y'all, I'm going to come back. Next, I'm coming back with the final result. Okay, y'all, I am back with my crab salad. Y'all, this is so good. I want y'all to try this recipe, y'all. So try it. Okay, let me bring it up close to you so you can see. I got this little serving dish that I'm going to plate it up on. Put a little bit on there. Let me bring it up close so y'all can see. Bring it up there. This is about all I'm going to use. This is all I'm going to put on my plate. Right here. This is my classic crab salad. Y'all give this a try. It's been so hot and you don't want to be in the kitchen all the time. And you just want to whip up you something that's quick and easy. And this is one of the recipes that you can whip up quick and easy. Okay, y'all, here's my crab salad. Here's my crab salad. I also have some club crackers to go along with it. This is my end result of my crab salad. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now.